The StampCreator Pro makes pre-inked rubber stamps faster and easier than ever before. Let's get started with a brief tour of the StampCreator Pro. This is the magazine tray, the ID label slot, the ink ribbon compartment cover, which opens when you press the cover release button, the mode and set buttons, the LCD display panel, the stamp compartment cover, the ID label draft sheet exit slot, the lamp unit, power switch, the interface connections for your machine, USB cable or serial cable. Before you begin, connect your StampCreator Pro unit to your computer and install the StampCreator P-Touch Editor software. Crafting simple stamps is as easy as 1, 2, 3. First, have your customer select a design from the template book and choose the size stamp they want. Second, open the StampCreator Express window software and display that template. Third, type in the customer's text into that template and edit the text as needed. Congratulations! You just designed their custom stamp. Now to produce that stamp. First, load an ID label into the unit as shown. Make sure the ID label size matches the size of the final stamp they've selected. From the print icon, select Print ID Label and click OK to start printing. Verify the printing with your customer. The printed ID label will accurately show what the stamp impression will be and the size of the stamp. If the customer has additional changes, simply edit the template further. No stamp will be made until you and they are ready. When you are ready to print the stamp, insert draft sheets into the magazine tray and insert the magazine tray as shown into the unit. When the LCD reads Ready, select Stamp Printing from the print icon and click OK to start printing. In a few seconds, the LCD will read Install Stamp. That's your cue to insert the selected stamp. With the protective clear film still in place on the stamp, insert into the stamp compartment. Be sure to align the triangular teeth on the door to the notches on the center of the stamp. Now close the stamp compartment door to flash the xenon lamp. When the LCD reads Remove Stamp, open the compartment door, take the stamp out, and you're ready to assemble the stamp itself. The final stamp will be made up of 5 separate parts: the stamp pad, the skirt, the bottom cap, the holder, and the ID label. Peel off the protective clear film. Place the skirt over the stamp pad and push until it clicks in place. Be sure the ink pad moves freely up and down on the skirt. Now attach the bottom cap. Then attach the holder over the skirt. Once that's done, push down firmly to break the ink container inside the stamp. Finally, attach the ID label as shown. Let the stamp sit upright for about 3 minutes so the ink can spread evenly over the pad. The stamp will be ready for your customer's use in about 20 minutes. StampCreator Pro also provides P-Touch Editor software for designing more advanced stamps with logos, graphics, and other clip art and more. You'll find a wide range of editing tools across the top, similar to what you find in common office programs like Microsoft Word. Here you'll be able to access any fonts on your computer, add effects to your text, include symbols and clip art. Here are some examples. The Text tool allows you to create a text box anywhere on your stamp. The Arrange Text tool allows you to add text in different arrangements to your layout. The Decorative Frame tool allows you to specify settings for a frame to be added to your layout. The Table tool allows you to insert a table into your layout. The Image tool allows you to import graphics from a scanner, digital camera, or other clip art source to your layout. The Screen Capture tool allows you to take a snapshot of the screen and insert it into your layout. The Clip Art tool allows you to insert illustrated graphics into your layout. The Symbol tool allows you to insert a variety of symbols into your layout. The Make Picture tool allows you to scroll through numerous categories and pictures to create humorous characters. The Date and Time tool allows you to insert the date and time in a variety of formats into your layout. The Calendar tool allows you to create a calendar within your layout. Try these options for yourself when you get the opportunity. Almost anything you can see on the screen of your computer can be added to a stamp, including graphics like logos, images from digital cameras, scanned images, and more. However, to be used in the software, you need to save those images first in one of the following PC formats: BMP, DIB, JPEG, GIF, TIFF, ICO, WMF, EMF, or PNG. You can drag and drop an image into your layout from a folder on your desktop. Or click on the image icon in the software, select the folder where you've saved those images, and click on the image to display it on your layout. Once your image is in your layout, you'll find a variety of tools above to automatically modify the placement of your image. You can also resize your image the same way you would in your everyday office programs, by simply grabbing the corners and pulling that corner toward or away from the center of the image. When your layout is complete, you can begin the printing process. Choose File, then Print to bring up the Print menu. Print your ID label first, then your stamp. Review steps from the Making a Brother Stamp section of this presentation to complete the stamp making process. We strongly recommend that your StampCreator Pro be cleaned after every 50 stamps, which would coincide with when the draft sheets require replenishment. Cleaning is very important to ensure flawless operation of the machine. To complete the recommended cleaning, you will need to locate the cleaning sheet, which can be found in the packaging of the new draft sheets. There should be 3 cleaning sheets. To clean the draft sheet rollers, remove and open the magazine tray. Peel the backing at the pre-cut line from the cleaning sheet. This will expose a tacky area on the sheet. Load the cleaning sheet into the magazine tray. Take care to slide the cleaning sheet above the front guide pins, but below the back guide pins. Close the magazine tray and load it into the StampCreator Pro machine. Press the mode button on the machine until Clean appears on the LCD display. Press the Set button. This will cause the cleaning sheet to be fed through the machine, thus cleaning the draft sheet rollers. The cleaning sheet will automatically exit from the exit slot. Please discard the used sheet. To clean the ID label rollers, peel the backing at the pre-cut line from the cleaning sheet. This will expose a tacky area on the sheet. Load the cleaning sheet into the ID label slot so that side A is facing up. Press the Mode button on the machine until Clean appears on the LCD display. Press the Set button. This will cause the cleaning sheet to be fed through the machine, thus cleaning the ID label rollers. The cleaning sheet will automatically exit from the exit slot. Please discard the used sheet. You've now completed the cleaning process and can proceed to make a new stamp design.